In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split expenses in Expensify. Whether you're managing your personal finances or handling business transactions, knowing how to split expenses can help streamline your budgeting process. So, let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Expensify dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a more detailed view where you can manage and review your financial transactions. Next, after clicking on Reports, you'll find another menu option that says Expenses. Choose that option, and you'll be presented with a list of all your recorded expenses. Take a moment to scan through your expenses and identify the one you wish to split. Once you've found it, simply select that particular expense. To continue, you'll need to double-click on the expense or alternatively click on the option marked Review. This action will open up a more in-depth view of your expense, allowing you to see all the pertinent details. It's always a good idea to double-check here and make sure you're working with the correct entry. After confirming that this is indeed the expense you want to split, look for the More button on the page. This will open up a drop-down menu offering several additional options you can take. The one you're interested in today is Split. Clicking Split will guide you to the next step in breaking down the expense according to the share you need. When you click on Split, you'll be prompted to enter the exact amounts you want for each portion of the expense. You can customize these amounts according to how you need them split across different cost centers, or between various individuals, if that's what you're doing. This level of customization can greatly assist in detailed and accurate reporting. Lastly, after entering the amounts and confirming everything looks accurate, click on Save. This is a crucial step because it finalizes the split and ensures your changes are recorded in Expensify. You'll also be able to make any further adjustments to the split amounts here before saving, should you need to. Once you've saved, your expenses will be evenly divided as per your specified instructions, making tracking and reporting much simpler. And that's it. You've successfully split an expense in Expensify. Remember, mastering these small tasks will aid you significantly in managing finances more efficiently, whether it's for personal use or business purposes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your financial management a bit more straightforward. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.